Calling me here, first of all, it gives me immense pleasure. It's my honor to be here and speak in front of you all. This is my second time in this hall. First I came 2016 as a media person. That time I was not a legislator. I became legislator recently. So I would like to thank the TTADC government for this centenary gate. First of all, a big congratulations and a big chibai to all the people of Darchwi for completing 100 years. This is a big message for us, for indigenous, to be in one place for 100 years with unity. This is an example. What is the need of gate? Actually, some people might think that this gate is not of huge construction or a big project. It's not the amount or the size of the project. Let me tell you why. The gate itself signifies that you are entering in the territory of the tribals, the indigenous. So whoever comes from other part of the state or the northeast or other part of India, when they enter the village, when they see a gate, that this is the gate, this is the area, you are entering the area of the indigenous people of the land. Then people become energized. People think that, oh, we have come to a place where people has been living for years. This sets an example of who we are. You go to Nagaland, you go to Arunachal, you will see bigger gates written Gate of the Owl, Sema, or whatever. It's because they have unity. And the people of Darchwi has set an example by setting this gate. May this gate be the opening, the progress of the unity, the progress and the unity. May this gate signifies the unity of the indigenous culture. And I thank the people, I thank the committee for giving the name, for giving this gate the name of Maharaja Kirit, Bikram, Manikya. It also signifies that this land was once ruled by the great kings. The kings who had ruled this state for thousands of years. This is a big example to us. So let's keep our heritage, our culture intact. Let's not be someone who we are not. We have our own identity, our own culture, which is very different from other part of the state, and we should be proud of it. Especially here to the young people, I would like to tell, you may become a big person in your life. You may do a big job. You might become professors, engineers, doctors. But when you go to the other part of the state or India, other country, what do you call yourself? You will call yourself a proud Tiprasa, a proud Tripuri. We have a state which we own, which we had built the state. The village which we live in, we are the first, we are the native. This is what you will set an example. Later on, your designation, your work, your profession will come. First, you will tell yourself that you are a Tiprasa, you are the son of the soil. So, you please set an example, be sincere, preserve your culture, heritage. As a young legislator, this is only my suggestion. And Chibai, once again, to the people of Darchwi for completing 100 years. May you be more successful. May this construction be the beginning of the unity of the village. May this village have more exemplary construction. I think our Honorable MDC is here. He will look into all the roads and constructions also. We were talking here, sitting in the dais, that this road also should be repaired. Not because it needs to be repaired, but because we should show that we are the son of the soil and we deserve, we have the right to live like what other part of the state is living. I'm not against any community, but you see, we stay in ADC and we lack of everything. All the universities are in the state, all the big projects are in the center, in the general areas. We, TTADC, we get less. So, big things begin from small. Let this gate be the beginning. I hope more bigger things will be coming in the future. By this much, I will end my small words here. Thank you, Kelo.